Everyone thinks they understand human behavior, but the truth is, most of what we do isn't logical. It's hidden patterns, strange quirks, and deep wiring from the brain that still surprises scientists. Talking to yourself isn't madness. It's actually a sign of higher self-control and focus, helping the brain treat words as instructions, which is why athletes, surgeons, and chess masters use it. People with messy handwriting often think faster than they can write, their ideas outpacing the hand. The brain also processes negative words faster than positive ones, a survival trait that makes insults linger longer than compliments. Multitasking doesn't make you efficient, it lowers IQ temporarily because each switch drains focus. People who doodle during conversations remember more since scribbles anchor memory. A racing heartbeat can trick your brain into feeling love because adrenaline mimics attraction. Most people subconsciously mirror body language as a silent confession of connection. Quiet people often notice more, silently reading patterns others miss. Your brain can tell the difference between rejection and physical pain. It lights up the same neural pathways. The average person lies once or twice a day, usually small lies to avoid conflict. Chewing gum boosts memory and focus by increasing blood flow to the brain. People who stay calm in chaos often faced stress early in life, training their nervous system. Creativity peaks when you're slightly tired because filters drop and unusual ideas slip through. Those who laugh at dark humor show higher emotional resilience, using comedy as armor. Women excel at multitasking, men at deep focus. Evolutionary roles shaped strengths differently. Most people underestimate their attractiveness, focusing on flaws while others notice charm in gestures. Night owls are more likely to question authority, resisting norms. Visualization rewires the brain almost like real practice. People with fewer friends usually prefer deeper connections. Writing worries before bed improves sleep by freeing the mind. Talking to strangers daily sparks small connections that boost happiness. Silence makes people uneasy because it forces self-reflection. Swearing often signals honesty, bypassing filters. Music with lyrics distracts more than instrumental beats, which aid focus. Couples who laugh together last longer since humor strengthens bonds. Highly empathetic people feel pain when others are hurt, thanks to mirror neurons. Daydreamers often solve problems better by testing ideas in a mental sandbox. Chasing happiness directly backfires. It comes as a byproduct of meaning. Fast walkers live longer, their pace reflecting vitality. Memories are edited each time you recall them, making the past a story that changes. Intelligent people often overthink, turning analysis into spirals. Compliments release more dopamine than money for many, as validation feels richer. Using someone's name makes them more likely to listen, since names trigger attention systems. Blue calms the brain, lowering heart rates. Emotionally charged events are remembered more than neutral ones because emotion imprints memory. Smiling, even when sad, tricks the brain into releasing happiness chemicals. People who love solitude are often more emotionally independent. Anger often masks fear or sadness. Sharing secrets deepens bonds by trading vulnerability. Reading fiction grows empathy by living other lives on the page. People are more agreeable when tired, as fatigue lowers resistance. Forgivers are mentally healthier, while holding grudges chains the body to stress. Faces are remembered better than names, an evolutionary trait. People who avoid eye contact may actually be thinking deeply. Most decisions are emotional first and logical later. Fast talkers are seen as more confident. The brain is wired to notice threats over opportunities, favoring survival. Writing goals down makes you 42% more likely to achieve them. Loneliness weakens the immune system, harming body and soul. And finally, the way you treat others reveals more about you than them. Kindness or cruelty reflects the soul you carry. These truths aren't just random psychology facts, they're the fingerprints of the human condition, your sleep, your anger, your smile, your silence.